What's going on YouTube? Tony here. LG Wing on deck. Been using this phone heavily all day today. You can see there I got some animation sounds going on. Phone is locked right now, but it's been really good. It's been a great phone. I played some games on it. Fingerprint reader so far has been on point with oh, wrong hand. I don't think I have this thumb set up. Hold on. Switch cameras real quick. Switch hands. There we go. I don't have that thumb set up, but it's been awesome, man. Pretty good. You can see all the apps that I have installed. There is a video coming up that I'm going to make for you guys shortly, showing you how you can use this. That is awesome. The features and the stuff that you can do with the second screen here. There is a lot of things you can do with this. So stay tuned for that video. But for this video right now, we are just going to talk about, we're getting some horrible snow for Monday and Tuesday here in my area, but we're gonna talk about the battery life on this bad boy. You can see right now, I am currently on 8%. I've been using the phone mostly at home. You guys can see it's horrible out there, so I've been mostly home. And so let's check out the battery life on the LG Wing. I did shoot some video. I played a little bit of games and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna give you this is like day one, the initial first day's usage of the LG Wing. And you can see there 8% left over. Optimized charging has been on. Adaptive battery has been on also. And here are the apps that I've been using. I did play Asphalt. You can see there for an hour. Let's go here at the top and you'll see battery usage. We have 7 hours and 57 minutes. And I took it off the charger 11 hours ago, I think. So total use, I took it off the charger 10 hours and 48 minutes ago, and screen usage 7 hours and 56 minutes. You can see the graph there. There's no charges in there or anything like that. And if we go back, I'll show you up here at the top. If you press show all usage, it'll give you all the usage. So you can see there, dual 25 minutes, 3 hours on TikTok, 32 minutes on YouTube, Asphalt 9. So I've been going back and forth. There's Twitter. I did some Twitter in there. I don't know why it's not showing up, but I did do some Twitter on here. But yeah, battery life 4. The LG Wing having the dual screen feature. It's pretty nice. Oh, check out that graph. It's a real nice device. It'll definitely keep you entertained if you like unique devices. And if I pull this out at the store, people are definitely gonna ask me what type of phone this is. So I can't wait to take this to work tomorrow. So see what the guys at work have to say about this dual screen phone with the swivel. The GPS on here, you could do, let me go back and I'll show you. You can do, if you first clear out and you close everything out and you open it up, you get this here where you can actually swipe through, and I'll show you real quick on YouTube. We'll pick a video. You got tons of features here. So if I play this video, I'll play this one. So you can actually have some play pause features here. You can go forward, you can pause, you can even skip to the next video, skip to the next video. So this is definitely cool because you get to watch whatever you want to watch in widescreen. You can definitely extend it more. Hold on. So you could pinch to zoom and get the full screen here, and you can play and pause, skip, stuff like that. So you can do other things down here too. You can basically go to Google and browse the web while you're doing that. It's just cool as hell. So stay tuned for some other later videos that I got for you guys coming up on the LG Flip. I gotta figure out how to do a quick, nice, let me see if I could do that. I like that. There's a lot of other stuff that I got to show you guys. There's always on display. There's, you get some different type of rings animation. Like there's like lights to go all the way around the device. When you get a message, you get sort of like what Samsung has. You also got always on display. It's off right now because obviously the battery life. I think it's anything goes under 10%. The battery life. I think it turns it off or whatnot, but it's pretty cool, man. Stay tuned for some later videos on this. We out. Peace.